In this video, we are going to do an installation of Solidworks software and any associated programs with it. So you can download a Champagne installer tool for a higher version. So basically you need to just download a trial version. So since this is a one-time thing, once you select the software you wish to uninstall and any associated programs, then proceed to click uninstall now or just uninstall. Then you can come and check this box for perform additional in-depth cleaning. Once you check that box, then you can proceed to uninstall. So the basic uninstallation process will begin. Then you can now sit back and relax, but remember there are some commands which will require your confirmation, so just watch it closely. Here now you just confirm that by clicking on remove items. Then the basic uninstallation will begin. Then later we'll now do the additional in-depth cleaning. So once that is done, just perform the in-depth cleaning. The process might take a few minutes or several minutes, depending on the number of files associated with your software, the software you are uninstalling. It might range between 16,000 to even 50 or 60,000 files. So here, this part here might take several minutes depending on those number of files. In case you face any challenges during this process, you can drop your question on the comment section, as well as you can reach through the email. I'll provide the email on the description of this video, so don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, you can also post them on the comment section so that you can get help from other members of the same. Otherwise, this is how it is being done. You can proceed and do that. Then you proceed to do the installation of Solidworks. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and wish you well in your new installation of Solidworks, and let's catch up in the next video. Bye.